Good evening, Peter.
Good evening, Daddy.
Yeah, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today we study about the bird. ភាសាខ្មែរយើងហៅថាសត្វលលោក
Thật ra
Yeah សត្វលលោកគឺធ្វើដើរ And now you have to read the text in Khmer first.
okay. Là lớp chơi hào. Là lớp mình chơi hài tật. Là lớp chơi chắc chồng này. Là lớp mình chơi tôm bia chồng này. Là lớp chơi đào. Là lớp mình chơi lùn. Là lớp chơi tôm lơ mày chơi. Là lớp mình chơi tao lơ mày chơi.
Okay, very good. Now we start at the first sentence. Lọ lọc che hào.
The dog can fly.
Yeah, very good. This is all the words you know. Lọ lọc can fly with.
It's not the dog can fly.
Try again.
The dog can fly. The dog can fly. Anh nói như bắp hay của đây hả?
Yeah, very good. Turtle dove can fly. Hay đi thử uống. The next one. Lọ lọc mình che hào tật.
The dog cannot swim.
Yes, very good. Turtle dove. Hey, lọ lọc cannot swim.
The dog.
Turtle dove cannot swim.
Làm tha sân.
Now we go to next one. Lọ lọc che chắc chầm này.
The dog can pick the food.
Yes, ở lớp ba lận con tính á. Bị chắc dương khoa giờ ai ba bị tha pack còn á một chút dương phải eat các bạn này còn eat the same meaning. Now you start to speak in English. Lọ lọc che chắc chồng này.
The dog can pick the food.
Yeah, very good. Turtle dove can pack food.
Can pack a watermelon.
Yeah, good. We go to next one. Lọ lọc mình che tôm pía chồng này.
Tôm piên.
Tôm pía có nói là gì đi.
Tôm pía. Hay. Tôm pía chút cỏ. Trời, này tha ăn tha.
Nếu con này tôm pía cứ su.
Nhưng mà nhớ su.
Tỏ là dương con pía. Lọ lọc mình che tôm pía chồng này.
The dog cannot chew food.
Yes, good. Turtle dove cannot chew food. Next one. Lọ lọc che đà. Còn che là lọ che đá.
The dog chạy đào. The dog can walk.
No.
The dog can walk.
Yeah, turtle dove can walk. Here, turtle dove can walk.
Why is it look like a desert?
Yeah. Next one. Lọ lọc mình che lùn.
Hả ba an tầng pi hay quay hay thà Khmer hay em thà Anglais at the same time, okay?
No, not good.
Why?
Now it's time for learning, not for playing. Lọ lọc mình che lùn.
Okay, the dog cannot claw.
Yes, very good.
Em thầy lầm.
Lấy ba bằng hai bịa lùn con tham mình tới nó cứ crawl. Here, crawl.
Vì cô tay thả accident.
Chẳng con mấy con quỷ lột lột mình chơi lún. Turtle cannot crawl.
Yeah.
Good. And what? Next sentence.
Turtle can.
Lột lột chết tôm lơ mẹ chờ.
Rồi. Turtle can lay.
No. Lỡ ba và hai bịa dần.
Okay.
Bịa tôm.
Đừng.
Tôm cứ perch. Mỗi thứ tiếng sit on. Bạn còn trả mùi nha các bạn ấy ná. Perch rồi có sit on. Tỏ. Lỡ lột chết tôm lơ mẹ chờ.
Cái con môi tên kê tha. Sit on carefully.
Yes.
Bao nhiêu cô tay từ cái ơi đã mua tiền ở đây kê tha. Thật đáo can sit on slowly, can perch, sit on slowly at a tree branch.
Yes. Lời
It has to new update.
nà ta lời dương phở ta mà bĩa tôm lơ. Ta lỡ lột chết tôm lơ mẹ chờ.
Nó can perch on tree branch.
Yes, good. Turtle can sit on. We call can perch on a tree branch.
Why the tree is green?
Yeah, it's a green tree. Next sentence.
Bamboo.
Lỡ lột mình chết tông mẹ chờ.
I say bamboo.
No, it's a tree, not bamboo.
Bamboo is related to green. So it means that this is bamboo. And bamboo can stretch like this when using a campfire on below. So it's bamboo.
Oh, yes, it's up to you thinking. Now, lỡ lột mình chết tông mẹ chờ con chết bịa tông ấy.
No. It's... I don't know, but it's... Hold.
Yeah, hold on to. Hold on to. Rồi có grab.
Oh, hold on. But I mean thu tề.
Hold on to.
Mà em tha hold on.
Okay.
But I mean đà thu tề.
Có phở bị grab các bạn này, grab. Tỏ lỡ lột mình chết tông mẹ chờ.
Cannot. I'm hold on to.
Mẹ chờ.
Why cái số to be bamboo?
Con thản bình lên thế. Lỡ lột mình chết tông mẹ chờ. Turtle
How much?
cannot hold on to the tree branch. Here, now the sentence. Now Papa ask you, can turtle down fly?
I say yes.
And can turtle down hold on to a tree branch as like a monkey?
No.
Yes, very good. Because why?
Hold?
Why the turtle cannot hold on to a tree branch?
Because they have wings. Wings is so it's a little slippery, so cannot. So it means that it's flat. Flat thing cannot smooth things. So it means that it cannot, because the wings is so smooth.
Yeah. The next one. Can the turtle swim like a duck?
No.
Why?
Because turtle is a bird. and ducks is
Bird too.
but can live in water and turtle can live can but duck sleep next to the water and turtle can sleep in the nest.
Yes, good.
So turtle cannot swim in water.
Next question. Can the turtle chew the corn like a rat?
No,
Why?
because but the turtle neck is a little smaller than the rat, so cannot go in his belly.
Turtle
Only-
has no teeth.
Yeah, I know can pick, but his neck is a little short than the mouth. A little short.
Can the turtle read a book?
I see in the reading. I see first when I already start. Look at the beginning. We see turtle read one book. Where is the green book? The green book. Can read, but where is the green book?
Okay, I will show you. Now you have to start to read in English. The text.
Turtle can fly.
Start with the title.
Ông thà hỏi. Turtle can fly. Turtle cannot swim. Turtle can pick food. Pack food. Turtle cannot chew food. Turtle can walk. Turtle cannot crawl. Turtle can sit on a tree branch. Turtle cannot hold on to a tree branch.
Oh, thank you. Good.
Wait,
We,
what the counter is? What the number?
yeah, we see you for next week. We will start to learn again.